morning, everyone. Monday is back, and so is your Monday Health Booster. And in today's video, I would be talking about the most common mistake people make when it comes to taking care of their health. Knowing about my background of more than 10,000 consultations all over the world, I have a lot of experience with seeing what are the common human mistakes we make. To make mistake is really human. So here I am, Dr. Shivani Sood, the director of Shivani Ayurveda, helping you to make your health and mind better every Monday with the Monday Health Booster. So, coming back to our question, what's the most common mistake people make when it comes to taking care of their health? The mistake is that they lack patience. I can't believe I'm making a video on patience because I myself am working on patience, and each time I see them making mistakes because they're not patient with themselves, over the years I'm trying to develop more and more patience. So this is human nature that we don't have patience. And when it comes to terms of two important things in your life, which is your health and your connection, both of these spheres require a lot and lot of patience, because in connections also you don't find your duplicate. You can find anyone who is maybe not similar to you, and you might need a lot of patience in order to understand their way of thinking, because it might be not similar as yours. And also in health, the health doesn't go wrong in one day. It takes some time that the factors are present, and then the health goes wrong. And when the health is not okay, we really run to any kind of remedy in order to get better. Without thinking if that remedy really suits us, doesn't suit us. Doesn't matter which field you're going to run to. Maybe you run to Ayurveda, or maybe you run to any kind of other medicine. But lack of patience is only going to bring bad results, because you're not being careful in order to choose the right tool for your health. You're just reading a random book, and it's nice to read a book when you have your own knowledge, but lack of patience is something which impacts your overall all being, including your relationship with yourself. When you make mistakes, it's hard for you to forgive yourself or really connect with yourself, because you're lacking the patience. That's why worldwide meditation is really becoming more and more powerful tool in order to make the human health and mind better, because I think everyone knows that more patience means better results. So, coming back to the Monday Health Booster, what could be the 3 ways that you make your patients better? First thing is, before wanting anything, you really have to be very sure that you want to concentrate on making your patients better, because when you concentrate on too many things, nothing gets better. In fact, the world's best successful people always say focus, concentrate on what you want. So you have to have your focus and concentration on building up patience, and it has to be the prime goal, at least for a few months, that you're working on your patients, and then you can start building on your patients. You can always understand that not building patience means that you would be losing a lot of opportunities in regarding taking care of your health or making your relationships better, and it's absolutely essential to build up your patience. Tip number 1, first thing is that you should slow down. Slowing down always makes better patience. Where exactly do you need to slow down? Whenever you're encountering trouble at work, or whenever you're having conflict with a person, or even this transit phase where you come back from work to home, you need to kind of put your brakes and understand this is not a proactive field. Here are the people you love. So slowing down at various spheres of your life really makes more patience, and is the key for a lot of other balancing psychological things as well. So first thing, just slow down. See wherever you're losing patience, where you slow. Did you slow down? For example, you have a conflict with your child or with yourself. Did you slow down, or did you push yourself? So slowing down means better patience. Second tip, most of lack of patience and irritability is a physical sign or a need which you need to fulfill. You cannot deny the needs your body has. Many times you can be irritable because of hunger, because of thirst, because of not being able to take care of yourself. You might feel really not really comfortable to handle situations which are challenging. Just that glass of water or just that little fruit snack, this will help you calm down your physical needs and you will feel more patience. Third tip. Third tip is absolutely essential because it makes you more and more patient according to nutritional point of view, which is the Ayurvedic specialty that we really work on both the aspects of healing, the nutritional and the psychological. So the third tip is that you need to cut down stimulants in your food. Coffee, tea, spicy food, oily food, they are as well stimulant, flavored food. And let's say that especially for women, if you're having this PMS period, like premenstrual syndrome period, where you really feel irritable and angry and lack patience, just cutting down the stimulants will develop more patience in you, because the stimulants, even sugar, spikes up the blood sugar and it gives us a lot of extra energy. If we are sitting on the chair or if we are not moving, this energy is not released. So if you just reduce the amount of stimulants in your food, you will have the ability to develop more patience. It's really important to know, as per Ayurveda, if you're not correcting the physical balancing things which you need to correct in order to develop patience, it might be very hard for you to follow just some mental motivation for patience. Yeah? For us all, the energy comes from the body, and we have to take care of our body so psychologically we can reach where we want to reach. So I hope you enjoyed this Monday health poster, and this week try these 3 tips and see if you have more patience towards the things which life throws at you. I wish you a very good week, working hard and keep smiling, and I will see you next Monday.